Did you know that just a few minutes of mindfulness practice each day can significantly transform your life? Imagine having more focus, less stress, and a sense of inner peace. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility seems impossible. This is where mindfulness comes in. It's a practice that helps us slow down and be present in the moment. If you're a beginner, it might seem hard to know where to start, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process. Many beginners face common challenges when trying to start mindfulness practice. A busy mind, lack of focus, and the feeling that there's never enough time are hurdles that can be discouraging. It's easy to feel like we're failing before we even begin. There are various mindfulness techniques perfect for beginners. One of the simplest is deep breathing. Just close your eyes and focus on your breath, feeling the air enter and exit. Another technique is the body scan, where you direct your attention to each part of your body, starting from your toes up to your head. And how about mindful walking? During a walk, pay attention to each step, the sounds around you, and the sensation of your feet touching the ground. Each of these techniques helps anchor your mind in the present. Now, I'll guide you through a mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes and start breathing deeply. Feel the air entering through your nose and filling your lungs. Slowly release the air through your mouth. Focus only on your breath. If thoughts arise, don't worry. Just observe them and bring your attention back to your breathing. This simple exercise can be done at any time of the day and is a powerful tool to calm the mind. To summarize, we discussed several mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing, body scan, and mindful walking. All of them are easy to practice and can have a great impact on your well-being, especially if you practice them regularly. The key is consistency. Now, I want to hear from you. Try these techniques and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more mindfulness tips and techniques. Let's journey together towards a calmer and more focused life.